Hey friends, if you wish to insert equation numbers in Microsoft Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. To insert anything, just go to the insert tab, and the similar is the case for this one. So you click on equation and you can type in equation here, or just go to the insert tab, okay, and click on the download pointing arrow, and you'll find a lot of common equations here. Moreover, you can click on more equations from office.com and you will get almost every kind of equation here for compound interest or accelerated motion, whatever you want. But if you want to type a specific equation, you can obviously type it here by clicking on this button. Okay, and then you have symbols and everything to create equations here, the fraction one, the e step one, the radical one, whatever you like. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.